I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers. Losing my pride, but I guess that's what love do to people like us, struggling to come through. We had a fire that we worship.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning video. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Cheyenne. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4 children. I currently live in eastern New Mexico. If you are new and this is your first video, thank you so much for joining me. I do hope you consider subscribing and say hello in the comments and maybe let me know how you found my channel. Also, yeah, I think that's it. So if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Your support really means so much to me, and I hope you enjoy the video.
You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, 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 demons pushing all my triggers. I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, 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 demons pushing all my triggers. I'm laying down to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this, holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this, knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets, I can't seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky, oh no, like I'm sudden but unsteady, oh no. And they tell me to move on cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this, holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this, knowing it's a risk I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you.
So there is no secret here to obviously how I clean my stovetop. I do use the Dawn power wash, and then I use a sponge and scrape off all the grease. Obviously Dawn is a degreaser, so this works really well for glass tops, probably gas too, you know, once you take everything off and just spray it on there. So yeah, it's like my go-to is the Dawn power wash now, but I will not use any other scent other than the apple. I feel like the regular scent is extremely strong and it gets up my nose for some reason and then makes my nose burn. So I won't use that. I will use the apple scent.
Repeatedly. You came along, couldn't look away. Somehow you turned my life completely upside down. And since you've been gone, there's
I did go ahead and on this day cleaned a couple of my windows. You never really know how dirty they are until you clean them, and then it's like brighter in your house. It's so weird. But anyways, someone had asked me to clean my windows. There's nothing special about my windows. They do not like do that fancy pull down thing where I can clean the inside and the outside. We do live in eastern New Mexico, so the window sills actually get like, how do I explain it? Stuck shut from all the dirt and then the rain mixed with the dirt. Not good. But every year when I do my spring cleaning, I do open them, clean out the window seals the best that I can. But I was just doing a quick wipe down and it was pretty dirty over here. So, but yeah, nothing special about my windows, if you must know. I don't always clean my windows. Obviously I have short girl problems and I can't reach the top. So
perfume that I still can stand. But every time I think these scars are about to mend, no matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. Nobody got the magic touch, how you make my heart rush. Why is that so hard to find? Nothing better than your kiss, something that I can't resist. Can't forget the nights you were mine. Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no. Still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No, no, no. Yeah.
as I've said in my previous videos, I do use my Shark handheld portion of my vacuum to kind of dust a little bit. The main reason I do that is to get all the dog hair off before I dust. Now, I was going to use that little Swiffer hand duster, but I could not get the duster pad on. Like I thought I had it on, and then it came off. And I was like, what the heck? But I'm gonna be honest with you, that thing is not really useful in my home for some areas just because there's dog hair everywhere. So I think in the future I do want to get like an air purifier to kind of maybe help with that. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you guys know of one that might help with like dog hair. I know we get a lot of dirt and dust that comes into the house. It's very disgusting, and I just feel like we're just breathing all that in, and it's gross. But yeah, so I do use my shark to kind of dust off, kind of, get up all the dog hair when I need to.
All of the things that I wish I could tell you every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you. And in my head, it's just you and I don't know why I feel this way. Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. 'Cause every time you pass me by, I fall in love. I fall in love. All of the things that I wish I could tell you every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine.
Oh my God, did you guys see my little boy jumping in that little basket? He is so cute. He thinks it's his little play thing. So he will sit in there and like watch his tablet. It's adorable. But anyways, this is not a super long, super in-depth video. I only really did the kitchen and the living room, which really did need it, not gonna lie. But yeah, so we are coming to kind of the end-ish of the video. And if you guys are new, again, I do hope you consider subscribing. It is free for you and benefits me. Definitely helps me out when you watch the entire video. So if you watch the entire video, I really do appreciate it. Leave me a mermaid emoji in the comments below if you did. And yeah, so again, those of you returning, thank you so much for coming back. Don't forget to like the video if you liked the video. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Don't forget to say hey in the comments, guys, and hit your notification bell. I know I'm rambling. I thought that there is more that I wanted to say on this video, but I guess there really isn't. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. And by the way, for those of you who have back to school coming up, let me know how you guys are doing. I'm kind of struggling just a little bit, but we'll get there. It happens to the best of us. My youngest is going to be starting school. It's been like a nightmare trying to get him enrolled. And it's like they want the shot record and they want the birth certificate. And it's like, okay. I did have to request the birth certificate online. because he was born in a different state. And no, we never got it. And don't come for me, you guys, because I am so lazy when it comes to stuff like that. But I got it now, so all is well. He also had to go in for some vaccines, so we did that this last week. And it's just been like really, really hot here. So I am not looking forward to getting up early in the morning and then in the afternoon when it's like scorching hot, going back to and from. But yeah, anyways, let me get, I'm rambling. Let me know how you guys are doing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
If I'm no good for you.